Hi Sam,
Hello, unexpected maker.
how are you?
I'm a little bored. I feel like I could take on more responsibility. How are you?
I'm good.
Good to hear.
Locate empty.
Flashing empty slots.
Locate 0402 100K resistor.
Flashing 0402 100K resistor.
Locate 0603 capacitor.
Flashing 0603 capacitor.
Locate P-channel MOSFET.
No reels found matching P-channel MOSFET.
Locate N-channel MOSFET.
Flashing N-channel MOSFET. Detected reel removal. Did you just move that reel, or did you add a new one?
Move.
Okay, moving the reel for you.
Locate N-channel MOSFET.
Flashing N-channel MOSFET. Oh, a new reel. Please tell me its contents.
Contents 0402 2.2K resistor.
Okay, I'm adding 0402 2.2K resistor into that slot.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Bye Sam.
Bye, unexpected maker.